So today's problem, 98 Ford Expedition, and as you can tell right there, that is the idler pulley mount, and it's busted off. So unfortunately this is about a $2,000 damn truck, and if you have to replace this timing cover, as you can see right here, goes through the top all the way down to the bottom there, that is about a 6.5 hour job and about a, I guess about a $300 cover to replace, all for a 10-cent piece of aluminum stuck into this block, or cover I should say. So the question is do we JB weld this? Do we, obviously can't get a, I don't think I can get the TIG welder in. I think it's too far away to get the TIG welder in. I can, this is number 8, M8 metric bolt. As you can see, this goes in quite a ways, so there is a lot of stability as far as mechanically speaking. I mean, we got there's not much slop there. So I'm wondering if I put JB Weld on this, there's still just a hair bit of movement, and then put a longer bolt in, because the bolt that's in there only goes into this main section by, I would say, maybe 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch. So it's putting a lot of pressure on the outside mount. I'm not sure if anybody else has figured this out, but it looks like they've got another mount on this side. The question is I don't know if I can pull that out, and I don't know if these were pressed in or how they were set in. So "24 hours later, I put the JB Weld on this, put the pressure to it, but I can already tell. You can look at that and see there's movement in there. It's holding, but it's not in a way that it's going to be solid enough to hold that entire piece. You could not rely on that. To hold that entire bearing. It's in there, but it's really not very strong. Okay, so what I did is I took my broken piece, and this is kind of hard to see, but what I did is I took the drill and gouged a bunch of holes in this. Now what I'm hoping to do is I'm going to bolt this back onto the head with the bolt in. I'm going to clean this up as much as I can, get that nice and clean, and then we're going to try the Blue Demon next. See if we can get that to braze itself in there and lock that piece back in place. it actually started warping that piece.